Welcome to day one out of the 20-day calisthenics challenge. Now today we got a pyramid set of push-ups. So the challenge is going from 10 push-ups down to 1. So you're doing 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So that's 55 push-ups in total. Now the challenge is to do it one time and just do it as quick as you can with good form, but also you can just keep going up and down and see how many rounds you can do for yourself. So if you're more experienced, 55 push-ups might not be a lot for you, so you can do that whole thing 3-4 times. It's definitely up to you, okay?
Seeing monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero, 'cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat. Turn to real life and the ground's filled up with landmines. We will face it, standing side by side. You know I'll come running when you need. I'm coming. You know I'll come running. If you go to war, then I'm going with you. Yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarm and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, yeah, I'm coming, I'm fighting. Swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your army. You go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarms and the chaos is rising.